and how to trust God in every situation. Through the challenges and teachings, I learned that faith is not just something we talk about, but something we live every day. I'm deeply grateful for Teacher Yashinka, who guided me and supported me throughout the years. I will also always treasure the friendships, laughter, and memories that made my time here so special. These are the moments I will carry in my heart wherever I go. As I step into the next chapter of my life, I may be leaving this place, but GMCA will never leave me. The values, faith, and lessons I learned here will always guide me. This will always be home. Thank you, GMCA.
One of my most unforgettable moments was the National Student Convention with the theme Expanding Our Reach. It not only helped me socialize with other students in different schools, but it also helped me become more determined in my events, such as famous speech, preaching, and many more. And it also helped me become more disciplined in my pieces. At GMCA, I've learned that no matter what I go through, God will always be with me. As Deuteronomy 31:6 says, that He will never leave us nor forsake us. And this truth gave me the strength and courage to keep messing up. GMCA helped shape who I am today. It gave me confidence to speak in various types of people and the opportunity to share God's word. And I'm thankful for my classmates, my teachers, my parents, and especially our beloved pastor for guiding and supporting me. Most importantly, I grew more closer to God. And as I move forward, I'll carry on this truth. It is found in 2 Corinthians 9:7. It says, "For we walk by faith and not by sight." Before I end, I will encourage the next students, the next generation of
Hindi ko
students,
kuya
to
magsama
glorify
kanina
God
pa kaya alam
no
ko
matter the
maabda ka ng
circumstance,
hapon.
for He is always
Gani.
in control.